Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Hello viewers. I welcome you all in my channel 5 Minutes Information, and this is episode number 154, and in this episode I will talk about the Journal Quartile. Viewer guidance, you can get the notes of this video lecture and PowerPoint presentation mention link in this video description. Point number 1, what is Journal Quartile? Point number 2, how many types of Journal Quartile? And point number 3, what are the advantages of Journal Quartile? Come to the point number 1, what is Journal Quartile? A Journal Quartile is a way of ranking academic journals based on their impact or influence within the specific subject category or specific subject discipline. It divides into 4 equal groups quartiles according to metric like impact factor or citation score. Quartiles provide a transparent framework for understanding journal impact. It helps researcher about different benchmark of the journals and choose quality journals for their research publication. Come to the points number 2, how many types of quartile? There are 4 types of journal quartile. Journals are sorted from highest to lowest impact, then split into the 4 groups. Number 1, Q1, top 25% highest ranked journals. Number 2, Q2, above the average journals fall between 26 to 50%. Number 3, Q3 journals, quartile 3, 51 to 75, below average journals. Type number 4, Q4, lowest ranked journals. Here I will explain all the 4 quartiles of the journal like Q1, Q2, Q3 and Q4. Come to the point number 1, quartile 1 or Q1 journals. Q1 journals is a scholarly rank in the top 25% journals of a subject category or subject discipline based on the citation matrix, impact factor, Simago journal ranks and other indicators of influence. Publishing in Q1 journal is considered prestigious because it is a sign of high impact, visibility and academic credibility. Number 2, Q2 journals or quartile 2 journals fall the rank between 26 to 50%. Q2 journals are also known as a second quartile journals of the subject category based on the citation metric such as impact factor released by the Declarative Analytics and Simago journal rank in Scopus. Q2 journals are considered as a above average journal on the basis of their performance, citation and impact. Type number 3, Q3 journals. Q3 journals are respectable, credible and valuable, specialized or regional research, while they don't carry the same prestigious as Q1 or Q2 journals. They remain an important part of the scholarly communication and widely accepted in academia. Number 4, quartile 4 journals or Q4 journals. Quartile 4 journals are legitimate but lower impact outlet. They provide accessible platforms for researchers, especially those who are early career researchers. Publications. Point number 3, what are the advantages of quartile journal? There are 6 important advantages of journal quartiles. Number 1, benchmarking quality. Number 2, simplifying evolution. Number 3, academic decision making. Number 4, institutional assessment. Number 5, university ranking. Number 6, funding and policy. I will explain here each advantages. Number 1, benchmarking quality. Benchmarking quality helps which journals are mostly influential, Q1 versus those who are the lowest impact factor in Q4. Number 2, simplifying evolution. It provides a straightforward way to compare journals without needing to interpret complex citation metrics. Number 3, academic decision making guides researchers in choosing where to publish for maximum visibility, recognition, and career advancement. 4, institutional assessment. Journal Quartiles provide institutional assessment of universities and degree awarding institutions, and research bodies use quartiles to evaluate faculty performance, promotions, and grant eligibility. Number 5th, university ranking. Quartile journal quality research publication help gain good ranking among the different university ranking system such as QS ranking system, the Time Higher Education ranking system, and ARW Shanghai ranking system. And number 6, funding and policy. Quartile helps granting agencies often prioritize publication in Q1 or Q2 journals as the evidence of high quality. Here I conclude the episode number 154, and in this episode I discuss 3 important points about the journal quartiles. What are the journal quartiles, and what are the types of journal quartile, and what are the advantages of journal quartile. Stay connected. I will back soon with another informative episode. Thanks for watching till the end.